I'm Miss Janeth from Potrero Heights Elementary, and today we're going to be doing marble painting. So the materials you need is marbles, paint, and a sheet of paper, and then a container. If you don't have a container, you could also do the painting on a plate, but the plate has to be paper plate, so you could be able to do the marble painting. So just add drops of the colors that you wish to have on your painting. So I'm going to be adding this neon pink. It's orange.
I cannot hold it for long.
Yellow. And some purple.
Oh God.
And then you just add the marbles. I'm gonna start with one. And then from there, you just roll it. And see how it's. I'm gonna add more marbles. And then at the end, you can see what, you can see what patterns and colors it creates at the end. And then take out the marbles carefully. And there you have some marble art.